Hello and welcome to Otewa Updates. Today's video I'll be showing you how to check if your Pi wallet has been compromised. Yes, if you are a pioneer and you have a Pi wallet that is active, this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Pi wallet is compromised. That's to show if your wallet is still safe for your funds, especially for those persons that have been migrated and have Pi in their wallets, maybe on the lockup section they're still locked up. There's a tendency your wallet has been compromised. There's a tendency you have given your phrase to a scammer waiting for your locked Pi to be unlocked, or waiting for a serious Pi balance to appear on your wallet. Then the scammer would beat you to it and move it away. But don't worry, in these videos today I will show you how to check your Pi wallet to see if it's been compromised. Then if it is being compromised, you know what to do, especially if you have locked Pi in your account that is about to be unlocked. It is necessary you check to see if your wallet is still safe for your Pi that will be unlocked, so that you know the next actions you will take to safeguard your Pi in your wallet. Or if you have a balance in your wallet already, maybe you've compromised it somehow, and maybe the scammer is just waiting for when you have a bigger sum and your available balance, and then the person will strike and move. But with this video today, when you learn what you're going to learn here today, and you will see how to check your wallet. So at any time you can decide to check your Pi wallet to see if it's still safe for your funds. You understand? So if you check and it happened that your wallet is compromised, don't worry, I would also tell you what to do. There's another update for that, but that will be by the end of this video. So you stick to this video to the end, watch it to the end. I will give you another update that if your wallet, if you check, do the process I'm going to show you here, and you check and see that your wallet has been compromised, there's an update on what you can do to safeguard your wallet. I will drop that update after this video. So without wasting time, I would say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I send good videos like this. And don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends and family and well-wishers out there who are pioneers also, so that they would be able to check their wallet at any point in time to be sure that their wallet is safe, that it has not been compromised, so that the safety of their Pi tokens will be assured. Yes, that is what we'll be showing in this video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. How do we proceed to check if your wallet has been compromised? This is what you will do. First and foremost, you tap on your Pi browser to open your Pi browser. Yeah. You wait for it to open. Load fully well. Good, it has loaded. Now the next thing you're going to do is to tap on this button here, this arrow here. Tap on it. It will give you the address bar. Then click here and delete all these things here. Then enter the check URL, the URL you used to check if your wallet has been compromised, and the URL is Mainnet. Don't worry, it will be on the description of this video. I'll post it there. Mainnet-wallet.web.app. Good. Now you proceed. You enter it to go to the site. Wait for it to load. Good. Once it has loaded and once you are here on the screen, what you have to do is you click on this first button here, lockup, reset and configuration. Yes, that's what you do. You click on it. Click on it. Good, and it will give you this page where please authenticate your wallet for your security. We need to verify your identity before proceeding to the next step. Authenticate wallet. Yes, once you get here, you will need to authenticate your wallet for the app to be able to screen your wallet and review any compromise that has happened to your wallet without your consent. Good. All you need to do is you click on this authenticate wallet. Click on it. Allow it load. Good. It brings you to this page where you would authenticate with your seed phrase. Enter your 24-word passphrase here. Good. In this place, this is where the whole magic happens. Now, when you enter your seed phrase here, I have my phrase, I've copied it already because I know I'll be using it here. Now, once you enter your seed phrase here and you click on unlock with passphrase, if it locks in, that means your wallet has been compromised. That means someone has accessed your passphrase on another browser that is not yours. That is the only thing that will make it log in. But if you, after entering your right passphrase and you click on unlock with passphrase and it tells you error or something, it tells you an error message, then know that your wallet is safe. Know that no other browser has logged in your wallet. Your wallet is safe for you alone. No matter how correct your phrase is, then when you enter your right passphrase here and click on unlock with passphrase, if your wallet has not been compromised, it won't open. That means your wallet is safe. That means your wallet has not been logged in another browser. Nobody has taken your phrase and logged in a different browser that is not your Pi browser that's linked to your account. Good. But if you put your phrase here and it locks in and opens, sorry, someone else has compromised your wallet. Someone has access to your wallet. Someone has taken your phrase and has logged it in another Pi browser that is not yours. That is why you'll be able to log in here. You understand? Please note the difference. If you succeed in logging in, that means your wallet has been compromised. But if you didn't log in even after entering the right passphrase and it throws you that error, then that means your wallet is safe. Your wallet has not been compromised at all. You don't have to worry. And that will be that for this video. Let me show you what I mean. I'll put my own phrase here now. Yes. No, my own phrase is good. I've not compromised it anywhere, so it will not log in. If it logs in, then that means there's a problem. So let me show you now. I'll click on unlock with passphrase. This my real phrase is correct. I'll click on unlock with passphrase. Now you see it's not supposed to log in because beautiful. You can see an error occurred while loading your wallet balance. Please try again. Beautiful. That shows that my wallet is safe. This wallet I use here is safe because it's mine. I've not logged it in anywhere, so it's safe. But if it logged in as I click on lock with passphrase and it logged in, then that means someone else has taken my phrase and has accessed it from a different browser that is not my own browser. That's how you get to know. Now, back to the updates that I said. Now, if you click on this, do this, and your own logs in, meaning that your wallet has been compromised, that is what to do, and that's what I'm going to drop to you now. And what is that? If you put your own in and it logs in, no need to panic. All you need to do is write me a message. I will drop my WhatsApp contact details on the description of this video also. Send me a message and tell me that your wallet has been compromised. Possibly 3 days. If you have like a Pi in your unlocked balance that is waiting to be unlocked, send me a message 3 days to your unlock date, and we will work together and we will help you save your Pi from the scammer. We will save your Pi from whoever that wants to steal it, but it is not going to be a free service. Once you succeed in saving your Pi from this scammer, I will take a percentage of your Pi to pay for the service. It's not free. So when you try to do this and you see that your passphrase has been compromised, that you put your wallet and it logs in, meaning that it's been compromised, don't worry. Just send me a message 3 days to the unlock date of the Pi you have in your wallet, and we will help you save your Pi from scammers. We will help you save it so that the scammers will not steal your Pi before you. And it comes with a service. We will charge you. So you send a message on my DM and I would respond to you. Now, let me also show you how you know when your seed phrase has been compromised, when it will log, and I'll to show you what to do. And that one, all you need to do is you clean up all this. Just clean up everything here. Wipe it out. Now I'm going to enter another seed phrase that has been compromised. It's not really compromised, it is my wife's seed phrase, but I've used it to log in my own browser too. So if I put it here, it will assume somebody else have logged in, so it will log in. So I'll show you how it will be. So what you do now is you enter your seed phrase here. So now I enter my wife's phrase. You see this one now, it is going to log in because I have already accessed this from my own or Pi browser, and remember it is my wife's. So once that happens, when I log in here, it will log in because it will now mean that someone else has accessed this phrase from another browser that is not the one that created the wallet. So that's how you get to know. Now remember, when I put in mine, it didn't log in, but this time around that shows that my wallet was saved. So this time around I want to put with another phrase, my wife's phrase, that I've logged in my own browser, and it is also logged in her own browser. So when you put it here, it will log in to show that it's compromised. You understand? So let's go and see if what we're saying is the truth. Unlock with passphrase. You see it actually opened. Now this opened because this wallet has been logged in into a different Pi browser that is not the original owner. So let's say it wasn't me, it wasn't my wife's. That means this my wife's phrase has been compromised. Now it logged in because I have accessed it from my own Pi browser, so it will log in here. You understand? That means it's been compromised. So now if this is your case and your own logs in like this, don't worry. All you need to do is, just like I said, send me a message 3 days to the unlock date of your Pi. So we will help you and save your Pi from the scammer not to steal your Pi. We'll help you save it, but don't forget it doesn't come free of charge. We will charge you a percentage of your Pi for helping you save your compromised wallet or compromised Pi from the scammers. You will pay, we'll charge you. So once this is your case, you don't need to panic. Just send me a message 3 days to unlock this, and I would help you save your Pi. And remember, it's a paid service. So this is it for this video for today. Remember, this is how to check if your Pi wallet has been compromised. If it logs in, that means your wallet has been compromised. Just write me and we'll tell you what to do next. But if it doesn't log in, that means you are safe. Your wallet is still safe. That is how you know your wallet has been compromised or it has not been compromised. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you please find it interesting or helpful or informative, kindly share it to your friends and loved ones. Let them see this video so that you will help them save their Pi from scammers, from robbing them of their hard-mined Pi. So many persons have lost theirs in the time past, but with this new technique, with this new check that the PiCore team have brought out now, you will be able to check your wallet at any time you desire to know if it has been compromised, especially if you have Pi in your wallet, maybe still locked, and you want to be sure your wallet is safe before the unlock date. You do this check. You do this check and watch this video from the beginning again to get it very well. You do this check to see that your wallet is safe or not. If it is safe, you are good, but if it's not safe, just send us a message 3 days to the unlock date of your wallet, and we will help you save your compromised wallet. We'll help you save your Pi from the scammers. They will not be able to beat you to it. We'll help you save it, but it is not going to be a free service. You will pay for it with some percentage from your Pi. That we will discuss when you come to our DM. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. It's still me, Otewa Updates, and we'll be bringing in so much updates, so many other updates in the crypto space and in the Pi network all together. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.